Are you gonna dance for us? Can you dance for us, August? Whoa, you little bear. What'd you find? You gonna play catch? Is that your tennis ball? Hi. Roll it to mama. Hi, August. Hi. Want to say hi to everybody, Max? Say hi to everybody.
Hi. I can't see them.
You can't see them? Oh, we'll put this video on the computer.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
What are you going to do today, Max? What are you going to do today, bud?
Not go work.
Not go to work? No. What should we do instead?
Have a bike.
What else?
No.
You don't know? What do you have to help Mommy do?
Leg.
Pack for the lake. What are you listening to? What are you listening to? Just your favorite song? Did you sing your song? Hey, big boy. Huh? It's August. Hi. You're so smiley. Can you say hi? Or blow kisses? August, how big are you? So big. How big are you? You're playing ball. Say bye-bye. So see you later. You all done? You want another one?